What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Guess my car is pretty dirty, so ignore that. But yeah, this is just kind of like a life update video. I feel like shooting this in the car is a good idea right now because I was walking around outside filming another video and it got cold pretty quick. So yeah, I'm still kind of cold right now, but I'm keeping the car off because I don't want to waste gas just sitting here for a little while. I've been spending a lot on gas because I've been running the burble map a lot on this car. And if you don't know what that is, basically, it allows the exhaust to have cracks and pops and burbles and stuff in it when you downshift and tap the throttle. But basically, I've been running that so much and burning through gas like that, so I've been trying to kind of conserve gas here and there. But anyways, yeah, currently in my life, things are a little bit hectic. Yeah, I'm kind of in a situation at the moment, you know. Basically, I have a job, but I don't have a job, and it sounds weird, but like that's the way it is right now. To where I have a job, but the guy doesn't really work me that much. I can't really guarantee that I'll get hours and stuff, so now I'm just kind of in a situation where like I'm trying to find something else. But also, I really want to work harder on my business. If you guys don't know, I run an auto detailing business. But I want to create more than just that business. Like I want one or two more businesses. So that is something that I'm striving towards. But it takes capital to start the business, and I don't have the capital right now. So I'm trying to find just like a day job right now, temporary type of thing, or at least until I can get something else going for me. But that's kind of what's going on. As far as relationship stuff goes in my life, it's a little complicated at the moment. I mean, the girl I'm with now, like we're engaged now. We've been engaged in September. If you didn't see the last video, so I got engaged in September, and there have been some things that like I can't talk about here on video on camera, but like there's been some things that have created some rocky patches in the relationship, but like I love her more than anything in this whole world. There's nothing I wouldn't do for her, and I mean, I honestly, I do see myself with her for the rest of my life, and it's crazy to think that because you know I haven't known her really that long, but like I just knew after the first, well, honestly, like sooner than the first month, but I knew definitely when I proposed, I knew that like, hey, like this is the right decision. Um, but yeah, I mean, I knew when I fell so hard for her, and like, um, she basically was the most amazing person I could ever ask for in my whole life. The best relationship I've ever had. Um, I mean, I knew after just about a month that I wanted to marry her. So here we are now, engaged, and like I said, things have been kind of rocky here and there, but there's a lot more good in a relationship than there is, you know, bad, negative stuff like that. Um, yeah, a lot of it, honestly, is due to my own insecurities and stuff. So like stuff from my past and stuff that kind of like trickled in to the relationship that I was not aware was happening at the beginning, but then when I realized it was like, it was like too late. But yeah, so I don't like that that happened. You know, I don't like that the most perfect relationship that I ever had in my life. You know, well, I mean, I'm still with her now, but like, um, the most perfect relationship I've ever been given in my life. Um, I didn't want to mess anything up at all in the relationship. I wanted to make sure I was doing every single thing right. And unfortunately, some things happened, and like it made things a little bit tough, you know, a little bit rocky, and it weighs on me a lot. So yeah, I go through, you know, day by day, and Um, I definitely, I definitely am not proud of the mistakes I've made in the relationship. So I definitely want to make her the happiest woman on the planet. That's my goal. Why is there a random dog just like, oh, there's the owner. Um, but yeah, it's definitely my goal to make her the happiest woman on the planet. You know, like I really want her to feel so special and so cherished and so loved. Um, but like, you know, like I said, things have been kind of rocky here and there. So as far as that goes, just in general, like we're working on basically rebuilding things and making things better this time around. Um, which is good. You know, I'm very thankful to have her in my life. I appreciate everything she does for me and the fact that she loves me and is patient with me and does her best to understand me. That's amazing. That's something I never have had before. Um, and I really do love it. I love it a lot. So I don't know if she's watching this video. She probably will at some point, but shout out to you, babe. I love you. um, but yeah, I mean, she's amazing, guys. Like for real, like the best person I've ever been with, and um, the only person I've truly felt safe with at the same time. You know, like I've given her my whole heart. I've been extremely vulnerable with her, and like she knows things about me that like no one else knows. Um, and I mean no one, like not family, not friends, not previous relationships. Like no one has ever known what I've told her. You know, so it's a pretty big deal. I've never opened up like that, so you know if I do open up like that, it's because that person is extremely special to me. So, um, you know, I have her photos in my car here. These are a couple photos that we shot, a couple dates we had, and I love putting them here so I can see them when I get in the car. I love looking at them. She also got me this necklace here, which represents us, and I like it. I like it a lot, and so I hung it up in the car next to Zyno. But yeah, so I love everything about her, guys, and I know this video it doesn't need to be solely about her, you know, but like a lot of it is probably going to be about her because I just love talking about her. I tell her this all the time that I talk about her a lot, um, but I don't know if she like believes that or not, but like I do talk about her a lot, like to a lot of people close to me. Like I just talk about her a lot because it's enjoyable to talk about her. She makes me the happiest I've ever been, so of course I want to talk about her to people I have close to me. Um, but yeah, I just as far as like anything else in my life goes, I mean everything else is pretty okay. Um, you know, as far as like financial stuff goes, like it's a bit of a struggle at the moment because of the job situation, but um, right now I think I'm taking probably like this week when I'm shooting this video, like well when I'm posting this, I don't know when I'm posting it, if I'm posting it today or when, but like I'm gonna probably take like a week to just mentally find peace because I feel like it's good to take some time to myself sometimes and like really think about my life and my direction and where I want to be, and like it's good to just take a break, you know, and and I feel like I need that because life has been pretty crazy recently. So um, that's what I'm probably gonna do. So probably take like a week or so and do that. But yeah, this video, I didn't really know what direction this was gonna go into. Like I just started filming, so sorry if it's kind of bouncing around different topics and rambling a bit. I just I know that for sure that I love this girl and I want her for the rest of my life, and my family has seen it, my friends have seen it, um, my coworkers have seen it, like everyone's seen that I really love this girl, and it's crazy because like I've never been so excited to not only be with someone but to share a beautiful future with someone. Like I am so excited. Um, and yeah, like I want her to know if she is watching this video, that she really did change my life. She did. She changed my perspective on everything, and like I know what love really feels like now. And it's crazy because this whole time, like before her, I thought that I knew, and I was so wrong. Like I did not know at all. Um, so it's crazy because like she makes me feel um, so special and so loved and cared for and important, and it's awesome. It's really amazing. Um, so yeah, I know that like relationships have rough patches, and mine and hers, like we've definitely had rough patches for sure. But I'm committed to making it work, and I I know it's hard for her to have the same level of commitment to make it work, just because of things that have happened have pretty much been my own doing, But um, I am grateful for having her in my life still and having her by my side. I want to show her appreciation for everything that she's done for me and the fact that she is by my side today. Like I want to show her that. I want to show her how deeply I love her and everything. And I try my best to make her happy, but like it's not always easy because I don't really know the best way to do it sometimes. Um, and I personally I don't know like how to react when someone is like upset. Like I I try to help, like calm them down and stuff, but like I just don't really know how to act or how to respond. And a lot of that, if you guys don't know, like I do have autism, so it it is hard for me sometimes to understand things, and even simple things. It's hard for me to understand sometimes. So when it comes to situations like that, where like someone I really love and care about is upset or mad or like suffering or hurting, like I I feel their pain when they're suffering, right? And then when they're upset, I just don't know how to help. I kind of freeze up, and I try to like say things to fix it and to help them, but like it just seems like it does the opposite effect where it makes it worse. So yeah, I'm still trying to figure out the best way to navigate that, because I don't want her to be upset with me, you know what I mean? Like that's never something I want. So I'm trying to figure out ways to either prevent that from happening or like figure out ways to like help calm her down, help calm her mind and everything, because like I want to be that rock, you know what I mean? Like the rock that she can always you know come to if she's ever having something on her mind, and wants to talk, or like, being a shoulder to cry on, or like just to sit there in my presence and just sit there in silence and just be next to me. Like I want her to see me as a support system that she can come to if she needs support. So that's something that I'm working towards in my life, is just trying to like be that person for her. Um, but yeah, guys, I love her to death, man. Like I mean it when I say it. Like I do. I love her so much. So, um, I'm excited for a future with her. Like I really am. Like I've never been so excited to introduce a girl to my family. Like it's amazing. Like from the get go, I was like, okay, well, we gotta meet my mom now. So I was like, straight away, just like, yeah, I took a trip to a different city, and then they met. So yeah, um, but it was definitely worth it because I really want um, to introduce her to my family so they know how much she means to me, and it means the world to me that she's a part of my life. Like I've never been with someone that I truly cherished so much. Like everything she does, I find beautiful. It's so crazy, guys. Like every little sound, every little look, every little like weird funny thing she does, like I just absolutely adore and I love. Like it's crazy. Like I've never loved every single thing about a person, like every little thing, um, until her. So it's just amazing. And I know this video wasn't supposed to be solely about her, but like I said, I love talking about her. I end up going on a rant about it because she's just amazing in my eyes. And she thinks that she's not pretty, but honestly, she is the prettiest woman I've ever seen in my whole life. So if you're watching this, babe, you are pretty. Stop. Stop saying that you're not pretty. You are pretty. Um, in fact, I think between the two of us, I think that she is the most attractive one in the relationship. So when we go in public, like I think all the eyes are on her, actually, not me, just her. Um, but yeah, she is honestly the prettiest woman I've ever seen in my whole life. Like none of these models that are on these ads and everything, like posters and stuff, like they don't compare to her in my eyes. Like she is far better than those people. Um, and I don't know why she's always thinking that like anyone could take me from her, because there's no way, because I made my choice. I proposed to her, so yeah, I'm committed to a future with her and only her. And all I want to do, really, honestly, is just make her happy. Like that's it. Like I just want her to be happy. And seeing that smile on that face of hers, I mean, man, like it makes me so happy to see her smile, man. Like that's why I have this photo here of her smiling, because I love her smiling like so much. Um, but yeah, that's just a bit of a life update, really. As far as the car goes, I'm about to hit 76,000 miles. I'm about probably 12 to 15 miles away from hitting that. So 76,000 miles, and I got this car with 15,000 miles 3 years ago, just a little more than 3 years ago. So yeah, this car I've driven a lot, but it is one of the most reliable sports cars you can buy, from everything that I've researched, and I like that because I made a good investment. It's a sports car, it's fun. Like I love the fact that it's going to be reliable for a little while. Um, and I always keep up on the oil changes, but I don't make a lot of money right now, so that's really all I can do at the moment. But at least like that's getting done. Um, the brake pads do need to be changed soon because I've kind of burned through them a little bit. Um, but at some point I'll have to do that, but I just can't afford to do that right now. It's kind of a rough spot in my life. But I want to do more videos about this, just kind of like life updates, and letting you guys know kind of what's going on, because these are the kind of videos that are real videos, like not for entertainment really, but just like real life stuff, stuff that you could relate to, um, and also maybe you just find it interesting, stuff in my life. You might be wondering, what's going on in my life, and this will kind of help you understand that. It's also a great outlet for me to be able to talk, because I think it really helps me to talk on camera about what's on my mind and what's happening in my life. So yeah, I think it's helpful in all the ways. I don't know how the audience retention will be in this video, because um, a lot of the times when I post videos like this, people don't watch until the end. But um, I do appreciate those of you who do stick around until the end. But with all that being said, basically just to sum it all up, my life is doing pretty okay right now. Honestly, the best part of my life right now is her. Having her in my life and by my side, I mean, it's amazing. Just to have her by my side, I feel like I can conquer the whole world. So, um, yeah, she makes me really happy, guys. She does. Um, it's almost Valentine's Day too, so I gotta think of something for that. I want to make it very special for her. I want her to feel so incredibly loved. And I want her to know for sure, with all of her heart, that she is the only one I want for the rest of my life. Like I want her to know that for sure. But with all that being said, I'm gonna end the video here. I know it's been kind of going on a while. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.